In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing the year without a summer. Across the globe, crops failed and temperatures plummeted. In Switzerland, Mary Shelley and friends were trapped indoors by relentless rain. They entertained themselves by writing ghost stories. On a stormy night, Mary conceived Frankenstein, inspired by the eerie atmosphere. What if the rain hadn't fallen? Would the world have missed this literary masterpiece? The eruption's impact was felt worldwide, altering weather patterns and inspiring creativity. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.